Are you an affiliate marketer or are you a media buyer? Wait, do you know the difference? I'm Anastasia from PropellerAds, and today I will solve the mysterious puzzle. What is the difference between affiliate marketing and media buying? Or are they the same? But before I unveil the secret, I will ask you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell, okay? So, let's speak about affiliate marketing. What is it? Let's look at the example to make things simple. John is a solo affiliate marketer. He partners with an iGaming brand and promotes it. He does the following: purchases traffic from PropellerAds, it costs some money. Posts links in his social networks, it's free. And works on creatives and tests them. His main task is to attract users to a brand by any free and paid means. And the final goal is to make them convert. Okay, now what about media buying? Well, imagine a large media buying agency, say Make Money Ltd. Unlike John, it works with several iGaming brands and much larger budgets. Its main task is to buy traffic at the best possible price and at the best possible places. Let's sum it up. Affiliate marketers promote brands by any possible means, not only paid ads, and content is the king here. Media buyers purchase the best ad placements, so it's mainly about budget planning and volumes. But can you do both? Yes, why not? It's very common, natural, and profitable to combine affiliate marketing and media buying for the best results. And to be honest, many don't even think the difference is really important. But what is important is to bring relevant leads to your offer. If you succeed, doesn't matter what you call it. Want to know more details and see more examples? Welcome to our blog. We have a full article on this topic. Just follow the link in the video description and we'll be back soon with new lessons, and very soon, stay tuned!